In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Reviews tab on a Facebook business page. Open Facebook on web browser. In the top right corner, click your profile picture. From there, switch your active profile so that you are using Facebook as your business page instead of your personal profile. This part is important because some page settings may not appear correctly if you are still browsing as your personal account. Make sure the business page you want to edit is selected before moving on. Once you've switched over, click your page profile picture again in the top right. A menu will open. Select Settings and Privacy. And then click Settings. This will take you into the main settings area for your Facebook page, where you can control visibility, interaction, and other page options. Next, look to the left-hand menu under the Audience and Visibility section. Click Page and Tagging. This area includes settings that affect how people interact with your page and what they're allowed to see or post. Now, find the option labeled Allow Others to View and Leave Reviews on your page. When you see it, switch the toggle to the On position. It should turn blue, which indicates the setting is enabled. Once this is turned on, visitors to your Facebook business page will be able to access the Reviews section and leave feedback about their experience. If Facebook asks you to confirm the change, click Save. After that, refresh your page. Refreshing helps make sure the update is fully applied and lets you check whether the Reviews section is now visible on your page. If you don't see the change right away, give Facebook a moment and refresh again. In some cases, settings can take a little time to update across the platform. Also, double-check that you are still managing the correct business page if the option seems missing. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.